In this guide, I'm going to show you how to change your phone number on Snapchat. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we could help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. But first things first, open up Snapchat and tap on your profile icon in the top left just like so. Once you're on here, you need to hit the settings gear up in the top right. It's going to take you to a page that looks something like this. And before changing it, you are going to need to have access to a new phone number because Snapchat will send a verification code to it. So essentially, go ahead and tap on mobile number. It's going to pop up with a page that looks something like this. You're going to want to type in your new number and then you just got to go ahead and hit verify. It'll send you a text message. You just got to then enter in the verification code. When you receive it, you may also need to enter in a Snapchat password to confirm that change, and after that, your Snapchat account will be updated with a new phone number. If you guys had any questions, ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out and lets us know that you want more content. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.